It's Janet and Gareth. We're getting off the ship today in beautiful Ensenada, Mexico. And we are taking a tour, a foodie tour it's called. I mean, there was other things in the description, but foodie is the one I remember. And the well, that remains to be seen. We are on the beautiful Ovation of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. So,
I'm excited.
more later. Well, there's the Ovation of the Seas. It looks blue, doesn't it? Light blue. Yes, it is. And then white up on top.
Yeah, I have no
Way down there on deck 10. Almost at the back of the ship. Come to Ensenada, Mexico. Whether it's on Ovation of the Seas or not. We're going to exit here. And then there are little shuttle buses, shuttle vans that will take you into town at $4 or $5. It's different every time we come, but it's always been like $3, $4, $5. Single file going through the exit. Except some guy wants to go ahead of us.
Dog sniffer.
Yep. Oh, I think I gotta take the backpack off for the dog. $4. So today it's $4. I think we paid as much as $5 and as little as $3. So, but we're gonna walk. This is a walking tour. Here are the giant letters spelling Ensenada. Big crowd waiting their turn. And it looks like several groups are going at once. Now later in the afternoon, this will be empty. So if you want to be all alone there, just wait. Come back out. Go straight up into town, or you can turn like we're going to and cross that bridge and walk along the Malecon and listen to the cool music and see the river and see the ships. We're going to walk along the harbor here and go to the fish market first. This is 3/4 of a mile, or 1,000 meters. Mercado Negro, black market. So there'll be stores and restaurants in here.
Hi, good morning.
Hi.
Hi.
I think this is the first place we're going to stop. So it's just this. You can see the main road out there with the cars going by. So, okay, we're going to this one. No, not going to this one. Smells like fish. Sweet. Just in case you didn't know what a fish market looked like. And we are going to Mariscos El Norteño.
Guys, we fine? We cook.
We're going to sit at communal tables. Looks like. Oh, somebody's been to the market. So we're leaving this place and heading to the next one. I So that's the fish market. And this is one of the pharmacies. And more people selling stuff. Now the main shopping road is another block up. This is the highway we're approaching. And then the main shopping road would be the next block up. From Starbucks, McDonald's is right there in the corner. And we're going upstairs. Watch your step. And then we're going up some more stairs. It's a very dark restaurant. Big patio in the balcony. Going up again. There's this guy. Oh, okay. Just come down the stairs. People are still coming out that door, see? And now this is the main road. This is the main road. Yep. So we're gonna walk along here to the next place. I think the next place is gonna have churros. A couple blocks down the road there. You see a cruise ship there. We're gonna go right there, that brick building, have a churro.
Friends, if somebody wants to order coffee, it's right here, okay? If you don't want it, it's just a right?
There was two of these. I already ate one. Give it a little dipping sauce, caramel maybe. And they're okay. They're crispy on the outside, very crispy, but very doughy on the inside. So we're out of the churro place, heading back to the main road. You notice there's not a bunch of street vendors, there's not a bunch of gift shops, they're mostly restaurants and hotels. We turned off the main road. And heading back to where the ship is. Not done. We have a couple more stops yet, I think. Oh, going into this unmarked place next to that marked place. And they're busy already. That clock doesn't have the right time. I guess it's not even working.
It's right twice a day.
Yep. So fish tacos with sauce. Made by those guys right there. Tacos and tequila, or tacos and grill, or tequileria. And they have some loud music playing in here, don't they? Tequila tasting is up here. This is our last stop on the tour. Oh, it's a noisy place, but a different kind of noise. These guys are going to explain to us how they make tequila from the agave. You know, that's like the heart of the agave after they pull off those leaves. Of course, those are little plants. So this is the 8th glass or shot of tequila I've had. And Janet did it all at once.
You feel this? Power? That's only 20%. But if you go to the area,
Wasn't really strong.
illegally 80, 90, well,
So,
Carolina, you know about it?
of course, we reuse the glasses sometimes, and sometimes we brought new glasses.
100% agave.
And that's honey tasting. So, when you come to this, they're going to give you a tray of honey. Don't forget to taste it. So, that was where we had tequila tasting. And now we're crossing the street. This is the flea market. I'm walking down the middle. Little food vendors here. Street call. Churros. That's a churro. The bees in there. They love their pineapple.